Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gems. In this video, I'll be showing you a watch to earn platform in the Web3 space where you can watch videos and earn cryptocurrency through. It's simple, it's easy to use and get started with, and you earn some free cryptocurrency essentially through it. So before I get started in all the details, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's dive into it. So the platform is called edgevideo. And just a quick reminder that the links showed in this video are actually going to be available in the description down below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And right away, to get started, what you're going to want to do is scroll down and go to the Edge player section. You can also click on this link in the top navigation bar and it'll take you there. And first step is to actually check a logo off and click a logo to get started watching one of these logos and companies' videos. So for example, if we want to click on Bloomberg Television, we'll get prompted to a video that they are hosting live and we can be watching it. And then next step is to actually connect your wallet down here. So now let's go ahead and click on the connect wallet button and we should see a MetaMask notification come up right here. So what you're going to want to do is click next, then connect to the account, and it should be successfully connected. And mind you, make sure you are connected with the Polygon chain connected to your MetaMask account so you can get connected to the edgevideo website. So once we have this video going and it is playing successfully, we can actually share for more increase in tokens and price, and you can actually put on the volume as well to increase your payout. Over here in focus, as you can see, Ashley Vance is the person who has uploaded this video and is hosting this video for you to watch and earn some tokens off. So as you can see, the setup is quite easy and simple. It takes around 2 minutes, and once you have it done, you can start earning some tokens. Taking a deeper dive at what the project is about, they actually have their own ETH token, and here is some of the utilities. So for publishers, they can buy tokens on market and add to their reserve pools. Every publisher has its own token. From reserve pools, tokens are distributed to viewers. As for viewers, they get rewarded for engagement in live video, tagging personalities, owning NFTs, sharing live video, and streaming live video on the network. With higher engagement level, tokens to be earned at the faster rate. You can watch premium content, buy faces with ETH, simply connect your MetaMask wallet and start earning. They also have this face feature which has implementation of AI in it, so faces are NFTs with a unique role in Edge ecosystem. Each face represents a personality recognized in the live stream and gives the holder the right to be paid in their ETH token. When the face they own is detected by the Edge player in any live stream, the more popular the personality, the more you get paid. So a great feature, and as you can see over here, they have 350,000 plus personalities indexed. They also have a decentralized CDN. As you can see over here, the network can reduce 100 GB plus down to hundreds of MB, saving servers bandwidth. A network which self-heals and self-organizes. Every new viewer using the Edge player scales the network by 1 node, and network scales exponentially with easy integration for CDNs. And then here is a diagram of how the whole process works from publisher to different viewers. And one of the great things about this project is they're quite open with their team, so you know who is behind the scenes working on this. We have the CEO Joe Ward, as well as all the LinkedIn links for all these people. We have the Charles Myers, which is the CTO, also is LinkedIn over here. We have an IP and compliance officer, Sam Bergstrom, and then we have the lead developer of the project, Brian. They also have a great advisory team over here. Here are all their backgrounds with the companies they work for, as well as their LinkedIn links. Here are some more video interviews for their team that they have done with big brands and companies, as well as some of their partners. As you can see, Polygon, Bullperks, ScaleSwap, and a ton of different companies. Here are also some articles about the Edge news that is going on currently, different announcements, different milestones they've achieved, and updates in the future. And that's pretty much everything you need to get started on the edgevideo platform. Once again, the links for all the websites covered in this video will be in the description down below, so make sure to go check them out over there. And honestly, this is a great platform to start easily watching some videos and earning some awesome money through it. It's very easy and simple to set up. Anyone can literally do it from their laptop at home. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment down below about questions you might have had about this project, and subscribe to the Crypto Gems channel so you can keep on getting some awesome content in the cryptocurrency space. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.